Hello everyone, Dr. Arshi is here, and today I'm going to discuss about a very interesting product that all of you are waiting for it, and that's Oxandrolone from ZPHC, the ANAVAR. The ANAVAR that everybody kind of wanted, everybody want to take it. And I have another ANAVAR from China market without any brand. I'm going to discuss about that as well in the near future. So don't forget to like and subscribe. This video gonna have three parts. The first part is today I'm gonna unbox and show you how does the pills look like. The second video I'm gonna discuss about what does Oxandrolone do to your body and talk about the reality against the myth and all those nonsense that going on between the four rooms, and people come up with ideas that Oxandrolone can do this, can do that. So I'm gonna kind of explain that. And finally, once I did my analysis, I'm going to explain about the active ingredient, the purity, and also the binder, and how does this technically build up. Is it a real, genuine, or it is fake? If you have any question that worth spending money, you can contact me through the email. I'm going to share the science behind the things with you. I'm a toxicologist. I'm not a medical doctor. And very important point, I do not advocating of taking any kind of a steroid, human growth hormone, and so on. And if you want to do it at your own risk. These are all can leave permanent damage to your system if you don't know what you are doing, if you are not sure what you are taking, and if the doctor doesn't prescribe for you. So please be careful with that and be responsible for yourself. Even though when I say such and such has purity and they are real, genuine material, you cannot trust that, because these are black market. The batch I test maybe is correct, but the next batch could be faulty. And again, my machine could be faulty, my knowledge could be faulty. So please take responsibility for yourself. All that has been said, the one main reason everybody want to buy Oxandrolone, everybody after ANAVAR, and it's a very expensive, pricey pills. By the way, this was given to me by Harry from the ZPHC, and he really I didn't pay for this. It was provided by that person from the ZPHC. But when I look at the batch number, it's a normal batch, so they just take one and send it to me. I really trust that by myself. All that has been said, everybody want to buy Oxandrolone because it because they believe it reduces your fat. It's a strong fat burner. You can get the lean muscle and no bloating, no water retention, and without any side effect. As I said, I'm going to discuss about this in the next video, not in this video. So that's what you want. That's what you are after. I totally against it. I will explain soon later. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't miss that. Now let's get into and see how does this box and how does this pill look like. So look at the box. This is the Oxandrolone. This is the Oxandrolone, and as usual, ZPHC did a very good job. It's well secured. It has its own security code, and the packet is really high quality. It said it has ISO, it has GMP, and so on. I kind of doubting this because it's a black market, but when I look at this box, the reality is this has been really carefully made. So now let's try to open the box. So this is really good. So far it's really A+ to me. And then again, well protected, no sunlight, no humidity. These are very important. Humidity, sunlight, these are all the factors can then damage your product. They well protected that. And then these are the pills. These are the peels. So let's open one, look at the back side. So then you can see this, and then later I'm gonna compare it with this in another video. You can see how different are these two are. So technically easy access, easy can come out. So one thing I like about this peel, when you look at it, this peel, there's no powder around it. So many times when I get the Oxandrolone for test, there's a small powder. This shows the weakness and the poor machinery they are using to produce these peels. Remember, this is purposely, I think ZPHC make their peels, while for example the Chinese unnamed, this is also Oxandrolone. So look at the difference between these two. So I have given the Oxandrolone in the name of ZPHC. Last time it was powder, white powder, so most probably it could be something like this. But however, this is how does it look like. Let me break it into half. Easily break. So inside is also blue. So remember, if you get the peel, outside is blue, inside is white, that is not a real Oxandrolone from the ZPHC. Please remember that. These are all true blue. So these are what I can say about this. Now let's check the authentication. This is the code as usual. Let me check. Look how easy it is to kind of do this. All right.
So I missed 1A. Look how professional it is. It's not a fake checking. I
Purposely didn't put it there. Now check. Yep, it's all good. Fantastic. So as you could see, it's already fantastic. It's genuine. So as you could see, it's already fantastic. It's genuine. Let's get back to our video. So now you kind of have an idea about how does these peels look like and what's the difference. Inside is also blue, outside is also blue. The quality looks really good. This is gonna go to the garbage anyway. I don't use these kind of things. But however, as you could see, now we have an idea how does this look like. So it's easier for you to understand if what you have bought is fake, because I heard so many people bought the ANAVAR from ZPHC. It had a coated blue, but inside was white. So these are all the things happening. There are so many fake ZPHC in the black market. There are so many phishing. There are so many fake advertisement shops. So you need to be careful. As I always said, even when you want to buy pharma grade, you need to be careful. You need to have a right people to, you need to have a right person, you need to have a right source, doctors to kind of direct you to get the right thing. So all that has been said, I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Support my channel through the PayPal. I do not receive much support and these things are very costly. If you do, I will try to do more. And I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.